According to research, the ability to draw the first 9 lines and shapes in the test of visual motor integration correlates with printing readiness. The Pathway series follows that sequence in a series of 6 child-sized booklets filled with lots of additional early education themes. Each 20-page booklet presents paths in decreasing widths from ones as large as 4 inches to those as narrow as 1/4 inch. The white paths, further outlined in thick black lines, are set on a gray background to clearly differentiate where the child should place his pencil. At the top or side of each page are a series of smaller geometric shapes. Books 1 to 5 have 6 shapes. Book 6 has 8. Therapists, teachers, or parents should encourage the child to select differently colored pencils and fill each shape with that color. The progression of colors from left to right or top to bottom is the order in which the child should complete each path. In other words, the child has either 6 or 8 attempts to draw a line on the path from beginning to end using each of the corresponding colored pencils. For instance, in Book 1, the paths the student practices are horizontal and vertical ones. The themes include school, animal habitats, weather, tools, and more. All of the shapes in Book 1 are the same, that is, an AAA pattern. This is a good time to simultaneously teach the names of common shapes. In Book 2, the paths are curved and circular ones. Themes include grooming, sports, baby animals, and more. Mouse holes are waypoints. Children should touch them with their pencils before continuing along the path. The shapes along the top or side of this page also serve to teach an ABAB pattern. Therapists, teachers, instructional aides, or other adults are encouraged to ask the child, "What comes next?" Book 3 practices making crosses and ladders using the uppercase alphabet and numerals 1 to 20. The repeating shape pattern is an ABC one. Book 4 teaches children how to make squares and rectangles. Themes include things on wheels, things we wear, community helpers, places we live, and more. The shapes follow an ABB pattern. Book 5 is about right and left diagonals. Children will draw lines connecting matching lowercase letters or pairing uppercase letters with the corresponding lowercase one. These paths also have mouse holes. This book has a repeating AAB pattern. Book 6 teaches triangles and X's. The themes include the 5 senses, seasons, dinosaurs, attributes, and more. The repeating pattern is an ABCD one. A review of all the previous 12 shapes is included at the end of the book. Successful copying of each shape or line indicates readiness for letter practice. Pathways is a fun way to develop pencil control, visual motor competence, and the self-confidence needed to be successful in school.